Hey everyone, welcome back to Global Tech 10. If you're planning your next PC build, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into three amazing features of the X870 motherboard that will make your build process smoother and more efficient. Let's get started. First up, we have the easy installation feature. The X870 motherboard comes with a user-friendly layout that makes it a breeze to install components. With clearly labeled ports and slots, you won't have to guess where everything goes. Plus, the reinforced PCIe slots ensure your graphics card stays secure, even during transport. Next, let's talk about advanced cooling solutions. The X870 motherboard is equipped with multiple fan headers and temperature sensors. This means you can easily monitor and control your system's temperature, ensuring optimal performance. Whether you're gaming or rendering, keeping your components cool is crucial. Last but not least, the X870 motherboard features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Say goodbye to messy cables and external adapters. With high-speed wireless capabilities, you can connect to the internet and other devices seamlessly. This is a game changer for those who want a clean and organized setup. So there you have it. Three fantastic features of the X870 motherboard that will simplify your next PC build. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. What features do you look for in a motherboard? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy building.